Meet Sarah, a passionate small business owner, and John, a dedicated charity organizer. Both are driven by purpose but face overwhelming challenges. Introducing Partakers, a platform where businesses and charities unite, powered by cutting-edge AI technology. With Partakers, Sarah accesses AI-driven insights to optimize her business, while John leverages intelligent tools to amplify his charity's reach. Join us in transforming communities, support Partakers, and be part of a movement where technology meets compassion. Right now, businesses and charities struggle separately. Partakers is a first-of-its-kind AI-powered platform that helps businesses and charities thrive together. AI-powered analytics, optimizing business growth, collaboration tools connecting for mutual success. YouTube and Kickstarter gives us the opportunity to build a community of people who believe in AI for good. Your support will accelerate development, enhance platform features and user experience, expand outreach, bring more businesses and charities on board, ensure sustainability, create a self-sustaining ecosystem for long-term impact. We acknowledge that challenges exist, but we have solutions in place. Technical hurdles. A dedicated AI development team is in place. User adoption. We will provide free training and onboarding for businesses and charities. Funding. Allocation. Regular progress reports ensure transparency. Strategic partnerships. We are working with organizations that align with our mission. Transparent progress. Updates. We will keep backers informed with milestone updates. Share our campaign with your network. Engage with our content on YouTube and social media. Back us at any level to bring this vision to life. Join our mailing list for exclusive updates and early access. By backing Partakers, you're not just supporting a business. You're investing in a movement that will empower small businesses with AI-driven tools, strengthen charities with smarter fundraising strategies. Be part of something revolutionary. Join the Partakers movement today.